Chapter 3 Pair of Linear Equation 2 Variable Part 10. Today we are going to see some verbal problems. Clear? See exercise 3.6 problem number 2. Formulate the following problems as a pair of equations and hence find their solutions. So first problem we will see now. Okay. Statement is given. So you have to frame the equations, linear equations. Clear? According to the condition. See here, what is the condition? Ritu can draw downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Okay. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. So first you should know what is downstream, what is upstream. So when we row, clear? When we row, water speed is there. Water speed is there. Clear? And board speed. When you row, what board speed and water speed is there. So during downstream, what will happen? Okay, the board will go along with the water. Clear? So water direction and board direction same. Understand? So that time what will happen? Automatically speed will increase because board is having one speed, water also having one speed. So both speed you add means what will happen? Speed will increase. Understand? So water and board same direction means you will get more speed, right? Board speed and water speed you have to add. Clear? Understand? Here you see rowing, speed of rowing in still water and speed of the current. Speed of the current means that is water speed. Clear? Speed of the current means water speed. Then rowing, that is board speed. Clear? How much force you are giving, accordingly board will get the speed. Clear? So both speed you have to add. Okay, during downstream, okay, speed will increase. Board will go very fast. Okay, water speed also there, board speed there. So both speed add means it will go very fast. Clear? Understand? Now what? So when we row upstream, clear? Water speed and board speed. Clear? So both opposite direction. So automatically what will happen? Speed will reduce. Speed will reduce. Okay. Understand? So here you have to subtract from the rowing speed and current speed, water speed. Clear? You have to subtract board speed minus current speed, water speed. Clear? Because you will give more force than water. Clear? Then only it will move. Understand? If you have to give force now, okay, then only board will move. Understand? Always rowing speed is more than the water speed. Then only board will move. So now let us assume what is the speed of rowing in still water and what is the speed of current. Clear? We will assume because both unknown. Understand? You see, let us let the speed of rowing in still water be x kilometer per hour. And speed of current, speed of stream, you can say, clear, be y kilometer per hour. Understand? You have to assume like this: speed of the rowing in still water be x kilometer per hour, speed of the current be y kilometer per hour. Therefore, you can find out the speed of upstream and downstream. First, we will find out the speed of rowing upstream is equal to x minus y. X minus y. Okay. Then and speed of rowing downstream x plus y. X minus y kilometer per hour. X plus y kilometer per hour. Understand? So this is very important. You will try to understand what is upstream, what is downstream. Then only you will write correctly. Clear? So upstream means both speed you have to subtract. You have to always subtract from the speed of rowing. Clear? Then only you will get upstream. Downstream means you have to add. Speed will increase downstream. Clear? Now, according to the question, that is by data. By data, you see, Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours. 20 km in 2 hours. Here time is given. Time is given. Right? Distance given. Distance is what? 4 km covered. In upstream. In upstream 4 km covered. Clear? Understand? Oh, sorry. First we will take downstream. Clear? Downstream. Downstream 20 km distance in 2 hours covered. Okay. Distance what covered in downstream 20 km. Therefore, time is given. Time is given. We know the speed, downstream speed and what distance. So, what is time? Distance by speed. Time is what? Distance by speed. Clear? Therefore, this time you write. Time is how much? 2 hours given. Therefore, time equal to 2 hours given. 2 hours given. Clear? Time given. For time, you know the formula, that is distance by speed. That is equal to 2 hours. Okay. What is the distance in downstream? Clear? In downstream, what is the distance? 20 km given. 20 by speed is downstream speed what? X plus y. Downstream x plus y. That is equal to 2. Understand? So by data you write case 1. That is better. Okay. Case 1 first write downstream. For understanding purpose. Otherwise we will get confusion. Clear? Downstream, first case downstream. Right. That is better. So downstream, what is the time given? 2 hours given. Clear? So time is nothing but distance by speed. In the downstream, what is the distance? 20 km. 20 by, okay, downstream speed you have to take. Okay. Now, just cross multiply you do. Okay. Cross multiply you do. Here by 1 is there. Here you see in 2 table it will go 1 time. Clear? This will go 10 times. So you cross multiply means x plus y is equal to 10. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Now case 2. Case 2 you take upstream. So in the upstream, what is the time given? In the upstream, what is the time given? Same 2 hours given for upstream, but the distance is what? Less. You see, downstream distance more. In 2 hours you can go what? More distance, but in downstream, upstream what? You can go only less distance. Okay, 4 km given. So the hours, same hours, 2 hours. What's the time? Distance by speed. So here the distance is 4. See the problem. Distance is given 4 km. And the speed upstream you take x minus y. That is equal to 2. Here also what? 2 table. It will go 1 time. It will go 2 times. So cross multiply means x minus y equal to 2. This is equation number 2. Now you see we have now pair of linear equations. So you can apply what? Elimination method. Very simple. Okay. Equation number 1 write as it is. Equation number 1 write as it is. What is equation number 1? X plus y equal to 10. Equation number 2 also write as it is. Because coefficients are same, that's why writing as it is. So here you just add y eliminated. So x plus x 2x, that's equal to what? 12. Therefore x is equal to 12 by 2, x is equal to what? 6. X is equal to 6. Now you put in 1, put x in 1. What you will get? 6 plus y is equal to 10. So y is equal to 10 minus 6. Therefore y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. Understand? So what is our assumption? Speed of rowing in still water be x. So x is 6 km per hour. Then water speed of the current be 4 km per hour. Okay. Therefore speed of rowing in still water equal to 6 km per hour. 6 km per hour. And speed of current equal to 4 km per hour. So very simple, easily you can find out. So you should know what is downstream, what is upstream. Means this problem is very easy. Then you have to apply the formula of distance. Distance equal to speed into time. So from this you can find out time equal to what? Distance by speed. These two things very important. Clear? So if you know means easily you can solve this. Understand? Practice well. You see, this is very important problem. CBSE question, this type is very important. Last year also this type of questions asked. Clear? So very important. Horse problem also they will ask. Okay. So a motor boat can travel 30 km upstream and 28 km downstream in 7 hours. Clear? Here both what downstream and upstream okay time is given. Clear? And distance covered also given. Distance covered also given, time is given. Okay. Now it can be traveled 21 km upstream and returned means downstream. Clear? Downstream in 5 hours. In 5 hours. Same condition. Two conditions given here. Clear? Using these two conditions, you have to find out the equations. Clear? You have to frame the equations. Then find the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the stream. Clear? Here you have to assume first speed of the boat. Speed of the boat in still water be x km per hour. Speed of the stream be y km per hour. Let the speed of the boat in still water be x km per hour. Okay, and speed of the current, speed of the stream or current, stream be y km per hour. Y km per hour. Okay, you have to assume this. Now we have to find out the speed of boat downstream. Speed of boat downstream means what? X plus y kilometer per hour. Then speed of boat upstream, x minus y kilometer per hour. X minus y kilometer per hour. Here also you write kilometer per hour. Okay. So speed of boat downstream you have to find out. Downstream means speed will increase. Okay. Water and the boat same direction. So speed will increase. Speed of boat downstream x plus y kilometer per hour. Speed of boat upstream means x minus y kilometer per hour. Upstream means what? Opposite direction. Clear? Boat and water opposite direction. So automatically speed will reduce. Clear? Here speed will increase. Downstream speed will increase. That's why plus both speed and upstream means both speed. You have to subtract. Always subtract from speed of boat minus what? Speed of stream. Clear? Now, you see the first condition in motor boat can travel 30 km upstream and 28 km downstream in 7 hours. Here total time is given. So you should apply time formula. Time is what? Distance by speed. So here you see first condition you see can travel 30 km upstream. 30 km upstream. That means 30 by distance. 30 km upstream means what? Upstream speed you have to take. Upstream speed is x minus y. Okay. Distance by time. Plus again and 28 km downstream. Okay. 28 km downstream is 28 by downstream from speed you have to take. Okay. Plus y is equal to what? Total hours, that is 7. Understand? You should know how to write this mathematical statement. Just converting this data into mathematical statement, right? So applying what? Distance formula, that is from the distance formula you are finding time. Distance and the speed you know. Distance and the speed know means time. The total time is given. Clear? So upstream time plus downstream time together how much time taken? 7 hours. Clear? It is given first data. And same way 21 kilometer upstream, that means upstream speed you take x minus y plus and return downstream. Clear? Same kilometer, that means returned means what? Same kilometer. Here understand? Same kilometer returned, that means 21 by x plus y is equal to total time how much is 5. Here you have to see only one distance is given. It can travel 21 km upstream and returned means downstream. Clear? Same distance again downstream in 5 hours. Clear? So that time you have to find out what is the speed of the boat in a still water and the speed of the current. Okay. Now this one you see which form it is 1 by x minus y. You see the pattern. First term both equation pattern 1 by x minus y. So how to take what 1 by x minus y is u. Clear? 1 by x minus y is u you have to take. 1 by x plus y is v you have to take. Then only you can reduce. Clear? Into pair of linear equation in 2 variable. Understand? You have to what? Reduce first pair of linear equation in 2 variable. Okay, lecture. 1 by x minus y is equal to u and 1 by x plus y is equal to v. Right? Therefore, just to replace it, 30u plus 28v equal to 7. Understand? This is equation number 1 you take. And 21u, clear, plus 21v is equal to 5. Equation number 2. Equation number 2 you take. Now you can use what any algebraic method you can use, right? Here you see here the first one you have to make same coefficients. Okay, same coefficient. How will you make? By multiplying you can make. Okay, by multiplying you can make easily. So you can easily what solve this by elimination method. Elimination method. You see here this u coefficient you see, v coefficient you compare. Both compare. Here you see 28 is there. 28 into 3 you put 84. Easily we can make. Here 21 into 4 you put 84. So v coefficients easily we can make it as same. Clear? Understand? Now one equation number 1 into 3 gives. So 3 multiply 90u plus 3 multiply means 84v is equal to 21. Now 2 into 4 multiply 4 multiply 84 view plus 84 v is equal to 20. Okay, now subtract, change the sign. Subtract means change the sign. So this will be eliminated. V will be eliminated. Here how much? 6u is equal to here 1. Therefore u equal to 1 by 6. U equal to 1 by 6. Next put this u. Put u in equation number 1. Put u in equation number 1. Right? Here you can put, or equation number 2 also better. Here small value. So equation number 2 is better. I think 2 or 1 also you can put, because 1 you put means what you can, it will easily you can cancel it. Okay, 1 you put better. Equation number 1 you put, because u is a multiple of 6 there. That's why you can put 30 into 1 by 6. 30 into 1 by 6 plus 28v is equal to 7. So here you cut means 5. You cut means 5. So 5 bring that side. That is 28v is equal to 7 minus 5. Therefore v equal to 2 by 28. 2 by 28. Therefore v equal to 1 by 14. V equal to 1 by 14. Now you have to replace it. What is u here? 1 by x minus y. Okay. Therefore u equal to 1 by 6. But u is 1 by x minus y. That is equal to 1 by 6. Reciprocal you take. X minus y equal to 6. This is equation number 3. Again you are getting linear equation. Clear? So that you take it 3. Now v is and v equal to how much? 1 by 14. Therefore v is 1 by x plus y. That is equal to 1 by 14. So reciprocal you do x plus y equal to 14. That is equation number 4. Now just adding 3 plus 4 you do. 3 plus 4 gives. You can directly also add. You see, if you add means y eliminated, because coefficient 1 only. Y coefficient is 1. Easily you can what? Straight away you can eliminate. Okay, x plus x 2x. X plus x 2x. 2x equal to how much? Here right hand side what? 6 plus 14 20. Therefore x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 you will get. Right? Simplification. Very simple. Clear? Just adding. Elimination method only we are doing. Okay. Here you see coefficients are 1. Here y coefficient, here minus 1, here plus 1. So add means it will cancel. Okay. Now x plus x 2x. X plus x 2x. Then 6 plus 14. Right hand side you add. 6 plus 14 20. So x is equal to 10. Now put this x. Put x in 4. In this equation we put it. So 10 plus y equal to 14. Therefore y equal to 4. So now what is the final answer? Speed of the boat in still water be 10 km per hour. Therefore speed of boat in still water be 10 km is equal to right. Equal to 10 km per hour. Speed of stream equal to 4 km per hour. This final answer is very important. Okay, you have to write. Clear? You see this problem also very important. Okay, 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. Clear? While 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by the one woman and alone to finish the work, and also that taken by one man alone to finish the work. You have to find out. Clear? Understand? Here together they are finishing the embroidery work in 4 days. That means together means you have to find out 1 day work here. Okay, so 2 women and 5 men together means you have to add in 4 days. Number of days given. Clear? 4 days. Here, together work is given. You have to find out what alone work you have to find out. That's all. Here. So first assume let the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work be X days. Right. Then and the time taken by one man alone to finish the work be Y days. Here. Therefore, you have to find out here 1 day work. That is very important. You see, 1 day's work for one woman equal to 1 by X. You have to divide this X. Here, you have to divide this X number of days given. So 1 day means you have to divide the number of days. Okay. Now 1 day's work for one man means 1 by Y. Clear? Just to divide. Now by data. By data, see first condition. 2 women and 5 men can together finish the embroidery work in 4 days. This 4 days also you have to convert into 1 day work. Okay, here also we have converted here 1 day work. That's why you have to, that 4 days also convert to 1 day work means what, 1 by 4. Clear? 1 by 4 you have to take. So here one woman given 1 by X. Here how many? 2 women means 2 into 1 by X, that is 2 by X. 2 by X. Together means plus. Then 5 men means 5 by Y is equal to how many days? 4 days given. You have to convert this also. What? 1 day work means 1 by 4 you have to write. This is very important. Clear? This is very important. 1 by 4 you have to convert. Clear? Same way, and another equation also. And while 3 women and 6 men can finish in 3 days. That means together, that is 3 women means 3 by X. Together means plus 6 men means 6 by Y is equal to how many days? 3 days you have to convert into 1 day work. That means 1 by 3. That also you have to convert into 1 day work means 1 by 3. Clear? So now this is not in the standard form of pair of linear equation. That's why you have to reduce into standard form of pair of linear equation. So what you have to do here, let, see the pattern, 1 by X, 1 by X. Here 1 by Y, 1 by Y is there. So let 1 by X is equal to what? U, and 1 by Y equal to V you take. Right? Therefore 2U plus 5V equal to 1 by 4. This 4 you cross multiply means 8U plus 20V equal to 1. This is equation number 1. Right? Now same way, and here 3U plus 6V is equal to 1 by 3. This 3 you multiply. 9U plus 18V equal to 1. That is equation number 2. Equation number 2. Now you see, you have to convert these two equations. Clear? These two equations. Elimination method. You can solve by elimination method by making what this coefficient same. U coefficient is easily you can make same. Clear? So here in this equation you multiply by 9. In this equation multiply by 8. So that easily you can make U coefficient same. Here multiply by 9 means 72. That is equation number 1 into 9 gives 72U plus 9 multiply. 9 multiply means 180V equal to 9. Right? Correctly how to multiply? All the terms. Here 8 you multiply means again 72U plus 8 multiply. 8 8s are 64 minus 6. 8 means 144. V equal to 8. Right? Here you have to subtract. Okay, same sign you have. Subtract only what you can eliminate. You can eliminate U. Now V subtract 180 minus 144 means 36. 36V equal to 1. Therefore V equal to 1 by 36. V equal to 1 by 36. Put this in equation number. Which equation is better? You see, V we have to put. So here second equation number second that is better because it is having a multiple of 36. Therefore put V in equation number 2. Clear? So correctly how to what? See the equation. Okay. Accordingly how to choose. Then only simplification part will be easy. So now using 9u equal to 9u plus 18 into 1 by 36. 18 into 1 by 36, that's equal to 1. Now it will go in 2 table, right? Therefore 9u plus this 1 by 2, bring this side, that is better. 9u equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. 9u equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So u equal to 1 by 18. U equal to 1 by 18. Next you have to convert into x and y. Therefore 1 by u is 1 by x. So 1 by x is equal to 1 by 18. Therefore x is equal to what? 18. And the same way v is what? 1 by 36. V nothing but 1 by y equal to 1 by 36. Y equal to 36. Therefore now you can write the final answer. You see the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work equal to, right here. Therefore time taken by one woman alone to finish the work equal to 18 days, whereas time taken by one man alone to finish the work equal to 36 days, just to double of this. Men taking more days. Here, woman is doing very fast. Here, than man. Okay, so very easy. I will give same type of problems homework. You can do it. Okay.